Hey, welcome back to my channel. So great to see you. Hey, I'm sitting in here in my car. My husband just went into Aldi to get a few things, and I wanted to share with you another makeup organizer idea I came up with. So let's get to it.
So, this is the cabinet where I get ready in the morning. I have my mirror, my jewelry, my makeup all there. But although it looks clean right now, it's not. So, let's look. I have a Lazy Susan here. This is one I actually borrowed from my kitchen, and I purchased this one at Walmart. I'll show you some other options here in a moment. But as you can see, the Lazy Susan works perfect inside the cabinet or on top. And so when I actually have my stuff on here, it can get quite cluttered. And sometimes I knock things off of there, which is not very good. So I came up with this idea of using a Lazy Susan. And so here's some I found online. I think some of these are really cute. And so your Lazy Susan could be super stylish. Like one of these. I found some of these on Amazon. And then a couple of them I also found on Walmart.com. So there are lots of options. You could choose something simple or something more decorative. And so let's get back to decorating. So you could use a variety of things. I'm just giving you an idea of some different containers you could put on your Lazy Susan to organize your makeup table. And so these couple, obviously we have a mason jar that was painted, and you could use a clear one, might be cooler. I've had that turquoise one for a long time, and I just like it and haven't gotten rid of it. And other options, I have vases on there, especially little vases could be cool for organizing your different types of makeup. And that beige looking vase is actually one that I saved from some orchids that I got, and I never can get my orchids to last very long. They bloom and then they're done. And they never bloom again. So I end up with some containers, and I've repurposed them as a makeup container, and so I think this works pretty good. That dark vase actually has bobby pins in it, and you could even put flowers on it and disguise your bobby pins as another option. But I think that's turned out pretty good. And you could put more things on there. If you wanted to hide your Lazy Susan inside the cabinet a little bit, you could put hairspray and things like that. But maybe on top, if you were going to have it on top of your cabinet, you might want to choose prettier things. I don't know. It's totally up to you, but I thought this was a pretty cool option. And I think I may have to purchase a pretty organizer. This is one I actually borrowed from my kitchen, but I think I'm going to have to do some shopping around with like some of those that I showed you. And I think I'm going to put it actually inside my cabinet. So with that being said, let's see how everything twirls. Now let's see if it will work inside. So I'm going to try to take it down and not spill everything that I just put on there. But yes, I think it is going to work. And there's even a little room on the side.
Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, give me a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell so you never miss videos like this, so that you can see the next time that I come up with another organization tool or decor or some other fun thing. Anyhow, see you guys next time. Bye-bye.